Okay guys, today I'm going to show you a Pinterest affiliate marketing method that nobody's sharing with you on YouTube. Now this method will help you to increase your impressions and to get more organic followers here on Pinterest, and that means you will start getting more free traffic from Pinterest. Now first thing is you need to create your Pinterest profile, and this is really important. You need to add an eye-catchy image or as your profile image, but it has to be related to your niche. And also you need to add a good description of your profile. Okay, that is really important. But you're probably wondering right now, well, how do I actually get more impressions? How do I get more organic followers? Well, first thing you need to do, you actually need to find the pins that are getting lots of traffic in your niche. So for example, let's just say that I'm in weight loss niche. So here I will simply search for weight loss. And I also installed sort pins so I can actually see engagement on each of these pins. Here you can see, for example, this pin got almost 11,000 likes. It also got 111 reactions, got 39 repins and 65 comments, and it was posted 6 months ago, and it already has almost 11,000 repins, and that means that this pin is actually getting lots of traffic. So when I click here, I can actually see that this pin got 65 comments. Now comments are really rare on Pinterest, and if some pin is getting comments, and especially if it has 65 comments, that means that this pin is actually getting lots of traffic. Now, so what you need to do, you actually need to leave a comment on this pin, but that comment has to be really useful and it has to be really interesting. Here you can see this comment actually got 13 reactions, 25 reactions. So you can see that these comments are actually getting traffic, and these people are getting impressions and they are getting followers. But you're probably thinking right now, well, my comment will be down on the bottom. It will be same like everybody else's comment, and it will be down on the bottom, and I will probably get no impressions. Well, actually, there is one thing that you can do to increase your impressions, to make your comment to stand out. Now for that, you actually need to go on Google Play Store and you need to install Pinterest app. Now after you install Pinterest app on your smartphone, what you need to do exactly the same thing. You need to start searching for pins that are getting lots of traffic. Now, like I said, let's just say that I'm in weight loss niche. So here I will simply search for weight loss, okay? And I will simply search for weight loss. And here I can find exactly the same pin. As you can see, this is exactly the same pin. So when I open it, I will see that this actually pin has 65 comments. As you can see, it has 65 comments. And here I can see comments. But this is really important. When I click here to add my comment, I can actually add a comment, and you can use Google Gemini or ChatGPT to leave a useful and interesting comment. And also what you can do, you can simply click here where it says, and you can add an image. So let's just say that I wish to add this image here. And now I can add my comment. Like I said, you can use ChatGPT or Google Gemini. So let me just open Google. So when I come here on ChatGPT, I can say something like this. Give me detailed Pinterest pin comment about weight loss. You can say something like that. And when I click here, ChatGPT will actually give me a comment. So let me just do this. And here you can see this is my comment. So I can simply copy this comment that ChatGPT gave me, copy this, and I can go back here on Pinterest and I can add that comment. And now also, because I added an image, this comment will stand out. So all I have to do now is just click here on post and I will post my comment. And like I said, because I have an image, my comment will stand out. It will actually catch people's attention. So when they start scrolling through these comments, they will see my comment. They will stop on my comment and they will check it out. And if it is useful and interesting, they will like it. They will react on it. And also they will check out my Pinterest profile. And if they like it, they will start following that profile. And also they will start checking out my other Pinterest boards to see what interesting things I also posted on my profile. And they will start clicking on my pins and they will start getting traffic. Now, this is a tip for you. here you can see that some people actually share direct links here in comments. Now, they also shared links to their blogs and websites, but they also shared links, as you can see here, to their affiliate products. Now, you can do that, but I wouldn't recommend do that. I would strongly recommend you to actually start sending people to your Pinterest profile. From these comments, send people to your Pinterest profile, and then from your profile and from your own pins, send people to your own blog or website where you're promoting your affiliate products. And also what you need to do, you need to repeat this same thing. Here you can see, you can find lots and lots of these pins that are getting lots and lots of traffic. You need to find pins in your niche, a broad niche, and you simply need to start leaving comments from your smartphone on these pins. And like I said, you need to add images, and your comments will start getting more impressions, and you will start getting more followers, and you will start getting more traffic to your blog, to your website, to your affiliate offer, or whatever you are promoting. Guys, this works, but you need to invest time and work to leave useful and interesting comments on all of these pins, and you need to do that from your smartphone because you need to add an interesting image. And also, this is another tip for you. Do not use same image for all of these comments. Change image for all the comments, leave the different image, okay? That is really important. Otherwise, you will be marked as a spammer. Now, as you can see, you can still make money with Pinterest affiliate marketing in 2024, and you can still get free traffic and lots of organic followers on Pinterest in 2024. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side, you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.